Okay, I'm trying to do away with getting the air out from underneath of the wand and getting the water out of the way and getting the air under it. Here, I'm separating two containers, one from the other. There's like 50 foot in between them. This is the black part of a container. Here's another black part of a container. Here is the air of one container. Up above that is where I separate the air, where I either let the air rise or fall. This blue goes up. This air is separated. Up above this air, this blue goes up farther to another container of air where I separate the air from the water. Over here is another up farther, is another over here, is up farther, is another container of air up inside here. Up farther is another container of air. Up farther than that is another container of air where I separate the containers of air from containers of water. There's rings around everything. When I don't let the water get under the air, these containers of air will fall, forcing this down, forcing the liquid over here on this side. This is separated. These are two entirely different things. The liquid goes back and forth in between. When the liquid comes from here, down here, over to here, down here, up here, I let the air get under this side goes up. This air goes up. When this air goes up, this entirely different thing comes down. When this air goes up, I let the water get underneath the air on this side. I don't let the water get under the air on this side comes down. So, I have the energy of the rising air, the energy of the falling water. So I get energy out of rising air and energy out of falling water. This brown line separates two tanks. This black part over to this black part's a tank. This black part over to this black part's a tank. This red in here is like a container of where I separate the air, and this here is where I separate the air. On the outside of here is air, and on the outside of here is air.